I am 22 years old and the eldest son in my family. I have a lot of responsibilities, including supporting my parents financially and physically. I want to seek Islamic knowledge, which I have been unable to do in my country as there is a lot of misguidance around. I also wanted to join Medina University, but I could not because of my responsibilities. Please can you guide me how I can learn proper Islamic knowledge with the correct Aqidah?
How old is he?
22.
22. Alhamdulillah. As long as you are supporting your parents financially, this is one of the greatest doors and gates of jihad. Your father, your mother have suffered a lot to make you reach where you are. Payback is very sweet. Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed you to be able to do that. Islamic knowledge is not isolated or limited to Medina University or to Imam Saud University or to Al-Qura University. People think that, there's no Islamic knowledge except in Saudi. Ya akhi, alhamdulillah, there are so many places where you can seek knowledge from. Nowadays, alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us in ZAD Academy, which we have online, to do a diploma, 4 semesters, 2 years, teaching Islamic sciences, both in Arabic or in English. And with the grace of Allah, it's so successful that we have hundreds of thousands of people benefiting from it. The best part is, it's free, 100%. It's online. The best part is, it's under the umbrella of islamqa.info. So the founder of islamqa.info and ZAD Academy and the TV channel I always bring Ask ZAD on is ZAD company. And one of the best things about ZAD Academy is I teach there. So of course, this is to some an advantage, to some it's a disadvantage, but it depends on how you look at it. So alhamdulillah, you can. And if you study 2 years in ZAD Academy, this I guarantee you, you will be having the preliminary foundation to be a student of knowledge. You from there can move on, expand on your own with different schools and different shuyukh, because you have the right, correct foundation. Our problem is our knowledge is based on TikTok, clips from here and there, YouTube, random sheikhs, and we are confused. Ya akhi, subhanallah, for 5 years I thought that the adhan in the ear of the newborn is sunnah because I've heard it from XYZ. Now Sheikh Assim told me it's not. So many things are clashing because you don't have the right foundation. With ZAD Academy, you'll have the right foundation to know how to pursue knowledge, how to you go and fish for correct aqidah, correct knowledge, correct fiqh, and learn without limiting it to Sheikh Assim. What do you think of Sheikh so-and-so? I don't speak ill about Shuyukh. I don't sit around and say, this guy's 80%, yalla. This Sheikh, no, it's 40%. Discredit him. This is not the right methodology. When you study the correct manhaj and correct aqidah and correct way, you will be able to, bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, differentiate what is right and what is wrong, and to pursue the correct way of knowledge, and Allah knows best.